Alright. Hi, I'm Shane Lennon, and today I'm going to be talking about the Campus Sustainability Tour that is done at FGCU and University Colloquium. And so a few things I'm going to be talking about today are pervious covers, stormwater rules, LEED on campus, which is LEED, solar fields on campus, and the chiller plant on campus, as well as student naturalists. Okay, so what I'm going to talk about first is our pervious covers at FGCU. And what a pervious cover is it is a permeable cover, meaning stuff such as sunlight and rainwater can still fall through, getting to the environment. This reduces the negative impacts on the environment, which is great for an eco-friendly college such as FGCU. Another thing we have developed is 4 basins in which they each have their own stormwater rules. And a basin is pretty much a giant pit for the rainwater to fall into. These basins help to collect and reuse the stormwater appropriately. One thing that FGCU does strive in is LEED certification. And what LEED stands for is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. And this is a certification. It is a third party that recognizes a building or community that was designed and built using strategies aimed at improving performance across all metrics that matter most. Energy savings, water efficiency, CO2 emission reduction, improved indoor environmental quality, stewardship of resources, and the sensitivity to their impacts. A fun fact about FGCU and LEED certification is that President Bradshaw has committed to all new buildings on campus being LEED certified. And this campus landscape and layout design will be developed by landscape ecologist Kevin Irwin. Alright, one thing that FGCU has made a huge impact on is their use of solar fields. This started in 2009 when FGCU committed to begin purchasing and producing at least 15% of its electrical consumption from renewable sources. The university this year was given an $8.5 million loan, or grant that is, by Florida lawmakers this year to install 16 acres of solar panels. FGCU's solar field will generate 2 megawatts per day and save $22 million in 30 years. Another practice that FGCU has is the chiller plant, and this helps practice sustainability hugely. The chiller plant is one of the largest ice thermal storage plants in the state, making the campus physical plant operations among Florida's most energy efficient. The Central Energy Plant, which is our first plant, was the first building constructed at FGCU in 1996. It originally housed 2 chillers with 900 tons of capacity, but a separate 19-tank chiller plant has been built to cool the Alico Arena, along with another chiller plant serving South Lake housing. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about student naturalists. The student naturalists act as a liaison for the campus community and colloquium students. They also are peer interpreters to help students connect to the campus and Florida environment. We have a lot of out-of-state students that don't really know the Florida environment, and these student naturalists help connect them. They go on field trips such as campus trails, native and exotic wildlife tours. They see wetland and upland ecosystems with students, and they also assist professors in colloquium and go on field trips with them to inform the students. One thing that this campus sustainability tour does is give students a sense of place. It takes out-of-state and in-state students and bring them together with the environment by showing them our pine systems, our cypress systems, and our animals, our wildlife all around, and really brings them a feel closer to Florida's environment.